Good morning, children. Today we have to learn 6th class science first chapter, that is our food. Every day we have to use breakfast, lunch and dinner also. So can you tell the variety of food in breakfast? Yeah, your answer is idli, chapati, puri, vada, dosa, etc. So daily we used to eat many types of food items. Why we are taking this type of food items? Why we don't eat a single item in every day? For our balanced diet. Yes, if you eat idli daily, what will happen? Your diet is unbalanced. What is balanced and what is unbalanced diet? If you take different type of food items in daily, that would be say diet food. If you take that food items every time only single item like that idli, chapati, puri, that is called unbalanced diet. So in this chapter we have to learn variety of food items. These are the variety of food items in every day. Okay, where does these items are came from? For example, if you take idli contains carbohydrates. So first, before we going to teach this, first of all you have to know food components. Food components. Food components. The first one is carbohydrates. Second one is fats. Third one is minerals. And fourth one is fibers. And fifth one is minerals, fats, fats, minerals and fibers. And next, proteins. So these are the main food components. So the carbohydrates contains mainly we obtain carbohydrates from rice and wheat. Fats, milk and egg and meat. And minerals, water and fruits. And fibers are vegetables. And proteins from milk, egg, fish. So these components are came from these food items. And now the next topic is some other finding variety in our food. Finding varieties in our food, already we have find some carbohydrates, fats, minerals, fibers, proteins. We know that which food have which food components, as well as I written some items here. So you know that in which food component came from that items. And next we are going to food ingredients. Food ingredients. Food ingredients means nothing but something items which are needed to prepare one dish. Ingredients. For example, if you want to make upma, you want oil and some piece of rice and Bengal gram, black gram. So these are all dish. These are all needed to that making that upma. So we are all called these items as ingredients. So totally ingredients are ingredients are the preparation material for the item, food item. For if you search any item, there is the that item must be come from the ingredients. So now we are going to next. The topic is how people develop food habits. In ancient days, the early man don't know how to cook. He used to use fleshy items and fresh vegetables. He eaten fresh vegetables without cooking on that time. But nowadays there are so many kinds of preparations are there. Some people used to use very tastily, and some people used to make this very saltily. As usual, their wish. So different kinds of preparation methods are there. And now we are going to learn that about preservation of food. Preservation. Preservation is very important to every food. Now, after that we are going to the preservation. Preservation of food. Preservation of food. Yeah, in every year we make some pickles in summer season. That pickle must be long last up to 1 year. How it is happen? We know that we use only mango in that pickle. We know that mango was spoiled within 1 week or 2 weeks, but the pickle must be come to entire the year. So this is because of the preservation of food. How we preserve? What we are using that in that material, in that item we are using some materials like mustard powder, second one salt, and third one chili powder, red chili powder, and fourth one oil. So these are we are using as a preservatives to that pickle. So mustard powder and salt both are preserve the food. They are chemically we know the salt is a NaCl, sodium chloride. So sodium chloride is a chemical, and we are used to this as a preservative item in the pickle. So preservation is this kind of powders we need by chemical, and also some food are preserved by dried also. For example, if you know that kismis is also preserved by drying, and also some nuts also, ground nuts, walnuts, and all nuts are preserved by drying in the front of sunlight. So this is the preservation of food. And now we are going to know about the condiments. Do you know biryani leaf? And cloves we call as lavanga. And third one ilachi. So these type of materials are called condiments. In Telugu we call sugandha dravyalu. There are little bit of amount we available. Availability is not there. A little bit of amount we have no, in from the forest or some other fields. But it must be very costly. These materials are. So these are all the condiments, and now we are going to dry fruits. Kismis, cashew nut, and walnut, almond, etc. are considered as dry fruits. these are dry fruits, and we know that very well that kismis and cashew nuts sometimes are we are widely used in different kinds of food items. So these are the dry fruits, and these are very helpful to our bodybuilding also. They are very good to our health also. Now, next I am going to tell about vegetable carving. Vegetable carving. Have you seen any item prepared by vegetable? Some functions or some other places you have seen. I hope you have some experience with that. Yes, some people have prepared some like flowers, like animals, something with vegetables and fruits. This is called vegetable carving. Some people are preparing also in our TV shows. The chef must be prepared some vegetable carving at from the last 5 minutes. So he shows that food carving with garnish. So this is a vegetable carving. And last one more thing, the founder of the nutrition, Anthony Lavoisier, is the founder of the nutrition. We have to take each item in every day and take different breakfast item and lunch. Every day you have to change your curry with rice, and dinner time also eat different type of food items. At last to take at least one glass of milk every day, which is very better to your health, and which is very better to your body building. Those who are taking this daily, they must be definitely good in their health. So I hope my class is helpful to your learning. Thank you one and all. And remember one thing, subscribe to our Divya English Medium School DC class. Thank you.